2018 Hyundai Elantra. I'm gonna go ahead and check the cabin air filter on this guy. Go over the glove box. First thing you want to do is disconnect the damper that you have here. All you're gonna do is pull it this way. Okay, and it'll disconnect. And then on the sides here, you have these dials that you're gonna turn counterclockwise. Okay, and they'll come right off. Alright, there's one. This one. Then the glove box will come down just enough to be able to get to the filter. The filter's in here. Take this side, all you do is squeeze these, pull on the door. Okay, same thing on this side over here. And there's the filter. This one has pretty low miles, so I'm not expecting it to be too dirty. Stick it in there, pull it out. Got some leaves in there, but I need to go ahead and order this one. It's pretty nasty. So if you need one, I'll leave a link down in the description box where you can get one, where I'm going to order mine at. But when you get your new one, you better I'll take some of these leaves out. And just install it in the reverse order you took it out. And just notate the airflow direction. And this cover just pops right back on.